My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so I don't know which video this is of y'all. This should be video number 3 if y'all watch them in order, but I mean, I don't know. It could be video 2, could be video 1. I don't know. But I did post 3 early review videos for 3 up-and-coming sneakers that will be dropping very, very soon. I think one of them as early as this weekend. I could be wrong about that, but I don't even really know which review this is right now, because I'm just doing the intro as I'm driving back home to give y'all information about all 3 of the sneakers that I did. So I don't know which actual sneaker this is, but y'all would know because y'all see the thumbnail and title. But anyway, enough talking. On my way to go give y'all some that first look at whatever sneaker I'm going to do first. So y'all enjoy that, and after that I'll be back to give y'all some information about it. So stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, as you can see, we got this Kobe box standard right there. Kobe logo in the center, Kobe signature underneath that, scales on the box. It reads Kobe 9 Elite Low EM Protro white, court purple white, size 9. This is a personal pair, but I'm telling you right now, I will not be copying this shoe. All right, so and I'll tell you why when we get in more detail of the review of the shoe. It's not a bad reason, though. I can tell you that. It's not a bad reason. It's not a bad shoe. It's pretty simple, to be honest with that. So, all right, let's get this up. Set this back up. Boom. Okay, this feel like it's about to fall over, but hold on. All right, there we go. All right, 1. And without further ado, we got the Nike Kobe 9 EM Low Protro Home. All right, boom. Okay, I apologize for the way I ended that last section. I said home like I was as a question mark because I really forgot which one this was, because it's like 5 different colorways. But yeah, as you see, we got this all white mesh right there. Got some extra purple laces. The purple pop. I love the way the purple look. Got the splattered purple paint on the midsole. Got the black on the got some black right there on the heel tab right there. I love that little Kobe signature right there. This is gonna be a quick review because it's just a plain white and purple shoe. The reason why I said I wasn't, well, I'm gonna say that for when I get back to the house. I'll tell you I'm not gonna get it, but mainly it's because I don't need it. It's just a plain basketball shoe. Don't really need it, but that's probably the thumbnail. Yeah. It's a clean shoe though. I don't really have too much to say. It's not a really long review, about 60 seconds. Y'all let me know if this is a cop or drop for y'all. I'm really gonna get back to the house so I can give y'all some real proper information though, so I can give y'all some detailed information. But just look at it. Tell me if y'all like it in the comments below. I mean, it's cool. Okay, we back at the house. Last review of the day. This is my 3rd one. So I'll give y'all some information off Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. This is all about the Nike 9 EM Low Protro Team Bank. It's just packed. It's such a long title. But once again, shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up so you can read along with me. And 2, 1, up right now. All right, so it says Nike is bringing back the Nike Kobe 9 EM Low Protro in a major way for fall 2025 with a full Team Bank pack. This collection builds on last year's Kobe 8 and features fresh team-ready colorways. 5 clean looks are set to release: Game Royal, University Blue, White Gray, Lakers Home, that's what I just showed y'all, and Lakers Away. Each pair features engineered mesh uppers with breathable and lighter built, perfect for hoopers who need comfort and durability. Unlike the Flyknit built on the Kobe 9 Elite, these low tops opt for mesh and upgraded tech underfoot. the outdated lanyard, I know I said that wrong, midsole has been replaced by a full-length React drop-in pair with Zoom Air for smooth responsiveness. Damn, I got a brain fart right there. This marks the first wide release of the Kobe 9 EM Low since its original run, making it a must-have for longtime fans. These team-inspired Nike basketball shoes combine performance upgrades with nostalgia design details. These will retail for $190, and they just say they launch fall 2025. This one got August 1st. So August 1st, they got right there. So there goes some more pictures about it. Let that load up real quick. And while we look at these pictures, yeah, this is definitely not a cop for me. I went crazy last year. Take that off. When I bought all of the Kobe 8s. Was it the Kobe 8s? I think it was the Kobe 8s. It was the Wolf Grade. I'll leave a link up there. I did a review for all of them. It was the Wolf Grade, the Kobe, the red ones, Universal Red. Basically the same thing they did with this one, except for now they just doing it with another number of the Kobe's. It was like 5 pair release. Yeah. The home, the away, the Wolf Gray, the University Red, and the Midnight Navy. Yeah. And I actually like the red ones. I have none of those shoes. Just to be clear, I have none of those Kobe's anymore. Even though, and I bought all of them in one day. It was crazy. But yeah, there's just a standard Kobe. I'm pretty sure these gonna be sitting. I do like that they are 180 and not like, because usually Kobe at least be like 225 or something like that. I could, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But I'm happy they 180. They basketball shoes, so they definitely gettable. But nah, I'm passing on these. Just want to give you an early review. I will not be doing reviews on the other ones, even if I am able to get all of them in hand, which I probably will be able to. Look at Chewy right there. He looking at my cat. He looking at Simba. Is Simba right there on the floor? What you doing? What you doing? That's bomb. Anyway, yeah, I'm probably not gonna do reviews on all these. I don't know. If it's a slow content week, something like that. I'm trying to give y'all as much content as possible. These are 3 videos in one day, so y'all, hey, I'm working for y'all. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.